Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's MNR Lifestyle TV guys, and we're here this evening. And this evening guys, our dish, we are gonna make curry goat and white rice this evening guys. Yes, the old traditional way guys, curry goat. So yes guys, the old traditional way man, curry goat man, the real, this is not Jamaican, this is Jamaica curry goat guys. Yes, so what me I gonna do now guys, I'm gonna turn my stove on here. So what me I gonna do now guys, I'm gonna throw some oil in my pot guys, and I'm gonna burn some curry. And me I gonna make that warm up guys. Then me I gonna burn some curry, you know. So the curry. Yeah guys, so right now me I gonna make some potato salad, so me have some egg a boil on the fire right now. That bubble up like crazy there. So me I gonna put in the curry with some pimento seed, make it go and burn. We already have the goat with curry already guys, but you know, we still have to burn some of the curry in the oil. Reason is, you need to burn the curry. It's not everybody's stomach aligned the same way guys, and some people, the curry hurt their stomach, so me have to burn. But make sure say the curry well cooked guys, like I say, are the old traditional way we are do it, you know. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys now my goat. So this is the goat here guys, well seasoned up and everything. Look at it. Yes, so now I'm going to make the oil burn, curry burn up just a little bit more, and I'm going to put it in. And guys, you know say, goat take long to cook, so when I put water in our goat, it sweat by itself and cook. So I'm going to put in the goat now. If it loosen it up, because I don't want to drop them and splash out for me guys. Yes guys, so this is it right here, look at it. How beautiful it is. I'm going to just stir it up, let me take the curry that we burn. And this goat here guys, make sure I get some nice goat. It's me get like the leg part of the goat guys, and I have no whole of bone and anything, they're mostly meat guys. Put a little bit of ribs, but not much. Just to give it the flavor, because you guys know that the bone is the part that gives the meat the best flavor. So, let's stir it up a bit now guys, and then I'm going to turn the stove down and make it go and do its thing. So what I'm going to do, you just rinse out the container and rinse out the spoon. So I just throw the water there in it. Not much, just this little bit here. Okay, great. So now, we are going to make this go and cook. I cook my goat a different way guys. The goat season up with the powdered seasoning. So this is going to cook it. When the meat cook, that's when I'm going to put in my ground seasoning guys. That's the right way to cook curry goat. When it partially cook, when you almost cook, that's when you season it with the ground seasoning. Because if you don't do that, the goat take long to cook, and if you fully season it from now, then all the seasoning is going to boil right out and it's not going to taste good. Alright, so now I'm gonna lower my stove. Okay. And I'm gonna cover this. Make it go and sweat it on water and do its thing. So once it start cooking down, we're gonna show you guys every ingredient that we're gonna put in the boat. And then we're gonna make with rice and make with potato salad and move on to bigger things, guys, so stay tuned. Let's check out what's going on now, guys. Boat coming down and it's looking real good too. Look at it, pretty. Yeah man, so just go and give it a stir, make everything cook on a balance here. Stove already down, burner down, so just make it go and simmer down the same way. Then when it reaches to cooking stage now, then we are going season it up, you know. Yes guys, so this is it right here. So we just a check in and make you guys see what I go and still. So that's it. I'm gonna cover it up now, make it go and do it thing, okay? Yeah man. Yeah guys, so right now I'm putting in the green seasoning inside, so I'm putting some onion and hot pepper right now. Okay. I'm gonna put some thyme. I'm gonna put some ginger, ground ginger. Okay, I'm gonna give this a stir now. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some black pepper, guys.
Where is the phone, Mo? Oh.
Guys, so I'm giving that a stir. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I have one mix-up season here, so now. So in the mix-up season here now, I got some Maggi, some onion powder, and some garlic powder, guys. So I'm gonna put some just to bring out the taste now. Okay, so I'm gonna give that a stir now. Yeah, and I'm gonna make that now boil down, guys. Come right down now. And once this come, the onion, the pepper, everything sim down now, then we'll go finish it up, guys. So stay tuned for that, alright? So yes guys, so this is the finishing of the goat here right now, guys. Yeah man. Finish it now, real old school organic way to cook the, and we look at the sauce, guys. You have gravy to eat the rice and thing here, guys. So yes, and we have rice here ready too. So white rice here ready. Yes, so so please guys, remember now, don't forget, it's very important that you subscribe to the channel, guys, that we can put up more video like this, guys. Encourage us guys to put up more authentic video like this, man. Yeah, and remember now to tell a friend about the channel is M&R Lifestyle TV. Please to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment, guys. Yes, we need it. Yes guys, so this is it right here now. So I'm gonna share it after. We're gonna show you guys how we plate our dish. Yes, so we're gonna have white rice with curry goat. We're gonna have our potato salad on the side, guys. We're not gonna do a green salad today. We're just gonna use the potato salad on the side. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. Yeah.